All right, Unit 8 challenge. Suppose 4 friends want to share $86. They have $10 bills and $1 bills. Show or explain how much money each friend would get. Be sure to describe each step how you shared the $86. Okay, so first step would be draw your number model using all of this information. I'm going to have you decide what's important up there. Okay, so draw that number model. Remember, it means it needs an equal sign in there. Then you get to draw your pictures or your numbers, how you solved it, and then each friend gets how much between those 4 friends. Okay, I think this one's going to be the trickiest one of all. It says, here is a game map for Speed Factor Bingo. So here's our bingo card. They already put the numbers in. In Speed Factor Bingo, a player draws a number card and covers all of the products that have that number as a factor. Name a factor card that would allow a player to get a bingo in one turn. Draw a line through the row, column, or diagonal to show the bingo. So remember, if I pull a 5, all my factors would be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, so on, so on, and so on. So what card can I choose? I'm going to let you know there's actually 3 possible cards I could choose that I would automatically get a bingo if I crossed off all the factors. So remember, you need 5, so you could get 5 this way, this way, this way, this way, up and down, diagonal. Look at the rows, think of what they have factors, maybe check to see if they're odd numbers or even numbers, or start counting by numbers like 3s and then count by 4s and see if you see any of those numbers in a row. So what one card could I choose and I could get a bingo right away? See if you can figure that one out. And then our last one is, Julian traced the bases and other faces of a pattern block prism. Okay, so we have some prisms down here. So he traced them and he put the faces here. Circle the picture of the prism that matches his tracing. So based on these faces, is it this prism, this prism, this prism, or this prism? Then name the shape of the bases. Try to remember what's a base. Name the shapes of the other faces. Okay, so we're going to need shape 1 and shape 2. This one's the base. What are the other faces? And then Lewis says this is a picture of a rectangular prism. Explain why you agree or disagree. So let me know if you agree with Lewis, if you disagree, and why. Okay, enjoy!